Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Black Bart Adventures. Today we're at Cape Palmerston camping for a couple nights, having a nice fire, about to chuck the fish. Got a bit of fish here going on the fire, should be pretty tasty. This episode, it's the second episode of Fraser 2020, hopefully you've seen the first one. Basically it's pretty much all the footage we lost. The story is basically we got a hard drive, dropped the hard drive, broke, so we lost all the footage on that, and then the GoPro with the SD card with half the footage got dropped over the side of the boat the weekend after we got back from Fraser. Went for a recovery mission for the GoPro. My mate from work, he does a bit of scuba diving and that sort of thing. Yeah, he offered to go out and find it, and yeah, we just happened to find the GoPro. So this is the lost footage from that GoPro. It's a bit of mucking around and us being stupid and that, but hope you enjoy. Give it a like, thumbs up, go subscribe, give us a share. I'll put the link for our Instagram channel down in the bio.
Be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you.
Righto guys, the first part of our video, we're at Lake Birrabean on Fraser Island, where we just spent the day there mucking around, throwing the ball around, just chilling out. Yeah, enjoy. Today on Black Bart Adventures.
Today on Black Bart Adventures, we're at Lake Birrabean with my belly.
I never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you. Wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you. Another time, another place.
Hello, you're watching Goonies TV, Fraser Island today. And as for the last couple of days too, actually.
Time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.
Next stop on our Fraser 2020 journey, we went to Lake Mackenzie. It's a more popular spot on Fraser Island. Sort of just took some floaties with us, chilled out on the lake, had a dive. It's got pretty nice. The water's crystal clear and it drops right off to quite deep. But enjoy the footage, roll it on.
Or is it because you can't forget her?
need. You're misbehaving, yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 yeah. So I can focus, I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus, I just need to focus on myself. This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for something better. Yeah. This is what I want now. No, I won't settle for anything else. I can't keep pretending. It's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. Oh no, no. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Oh, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah. So you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah. You better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself, baby, baby.
Yeah guys, the next spot we went to on Fraser was Eli Creek. We did spend a few days there just because we were staying, we basically stayed at Happy Valley, so Eli Creek was quite close, so we spent a few afternoons there, but it was sort of just getting on the beers and having a good time, floating down the creek with everyone. But yeah, enjoy. We harassed the locals a bit and had a bit of fun. Enjoy the footage.
Because you don't know who you're gonna meet.
Black Bart Adventures. Look at the dog. Hey guys, hello and welcome. This is Black Bart Adventures. We're here at Eli Creek. Making them.
Hey guys, how are ya? Today on Black Bart Adventures, we're at Eli Creek. Look how gorgeous
Eli
it is.
Creek. Look how good this is.
Beautiful. Got a few beers, a few
I don't
boys,
have one,
a
I'll
few
just-
girls. Down here. Shit, I'm gonna jump in. Shouting at the tourists, scaring the
That would be absolutely perfect.
that again. 3, 2, 1.
Black
Bart
Bart.
Adventures. Go.
Yes.
That is a good one.
That's
Has
a
anyone
good
actually
one,
done a
Jace.
shirt with buffalo?
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to meet.
This is a fine Nissan.
That's one funky looking
This is the Nissan I bought when I was a child, and now look where it is. It's bigger than me, mate.
Right here, we have the crocodile duckling, his natural habitat. He's iron off some prey
You share your love so easily, still I'm insecure. I hear all the things you don't say, so I can be sure. But here we go again, go again. Do my best to pretend, to pretend. Yeah, here we go again, go again. Do my best to pretend, to pretend. That I don't bother at all, that I'm not stronger, but no, I will do my best not to give up, I will do my best not to give up. But what will it be of us?
The final stop before we left the island was Worralie Creek. Personally, this is one of my favourite spots on Fraser. The first trip we did, we spent 4 nights there. This trip we didn't actually stay there, but we spent the whole day in the creek. It's sort of like the quiet Eli Creek, nice crystal clear water. Just chilled out, had a few drinks, and we actually got the boogie boards out in the rope behind the car, and we towed each other down the creek, which was awesome fun. But yeah, we'll roll footage and
Now you're saying you care about me, so why do I feel cold? We're heading down into the deep sea. Gotta trust but I don't. But here we go again. Do my best to pretend, to pretend. Yeah, here we go again. Do my best to pretend, to pretend. That I don't bother at all, that I'm not stronger, but no, I will do my best not to give up, I will do my best not to give up. But what will it be of us?